Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up Azure virtual machine for Red Hat 10. First connect to Azure portal, then click on create a resource or search here for the virtual machines, or go to this portal menu, then click on all services, then click on compute, then see here we have the virtual machines. Anyone is fine, click on it. See, I don't have any virtual machines at this moment, then click on this drop down create, then select virtual machine, or click on this create, then select the virtual machine. Here we have to provide the subscription name. See, see here we have the basics, disks, networking, management, monitoring, advanced, tags and review and create. Okay, we have to fill all these details. We have to go to each section and we have to configure. Okay, so in project details, select the subscription, then resource group name. See here I have these many resource groups. If you want to create new resource group, click on create new. Okay, it is up to you. Then I'm going to select this one, then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving AG RHEL 10 VM, then region, select the region. So select the region which is near to you. Based on the region, cost will change. Okay, then availability options. See here we have the no infrastructure redundancy required, availability zone, virtual machine scale set, availability set. Whatever you want, you can select it. Then if you select it, we have these options. If you select no infrastructure, see those options are gone. Okay, so I'm going to select availability zone. Then in availability zone we have three options: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. If you select all these three zones, cost will increase. See here, cost is increased. Okay, it is up to you how you want to configure. Then security type, I'm going to select standard. But see here we have the trusted launch virtual machines or confidential virtual machines. Then select the image. See here we have the RHEL 9.4 only. But if you want latest version, then click on the see all images. Scroll down. See here we have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux for Microsoft Azure. Click on drop down. See here we have the minor version, latest minor version. See RHEL 10 Gen 1, latest minor version. Okay. And see here we have the LVM mentioned here Gen 1. See Red Hat Enterprise Linux Gen 2. Okay, select it. Wait a moment. See, cost is increased. Okay, so next architecture x86. Then if you want to run with Azure Spot discount, you have to select the checkbox. Then select the size. See, these sizes are not available for the selected features. Okay, so I have only these. Or if you want to see all sizes, click on see all sizes. Okay, I'm going with minimal. One CPU on 3.5 gigabytes memory. This is just for this demo purpose, but in your case, as per specification, you have to select it. Okay, hyphenation, it is grayed out. Then administrator account. See here we have two options: SSH public key or password. So I'm going to use the password method to connect. So I'm giving AG admin RHEL. Then provide the password. Password must satisfy these rules. Okay. Then inbound portals, public inbound portals. Okay, none are allow selected ports. So we have to select SSH2. I'm going to select all. Then licensing, I don't have anything. Then click on next. That is disks. Next OS disks. See here the default is 64 gigabytes. This is the list. But if you select 2 gigabytes, cost will increase. Wait a moment. See, cost has been increased. Okay, I'm going with minimal for this demo purpose. Then OS disk type, I'm going with the standard SSD. Okay, then see the checkbox, delete with VM. So if you select the checkbox, once you delete the virtual machine, this OS disk will be deleted. Then key management, I'm going with platform manager. Then data disks, if you want to create and attach a new disk, you have to click on here. And if you want to attach an existing disk, you have to click on here. I don't want either of them. Then click on next. That is networking. See, it is going to create new virtual network and subnet. This is the CIDR range. Then public IP. See, it is going to create new public IP. Also see here in the estimated cost, it added this much amount for this public IP. If you select none, see that is gone. Okay, so I want to create. Then network security group. I'm going with basic. Public inbound ports we have already selected, and delete public IP NIC when VM is deleted. Okay, select it. If you want to delete when virtual machine deletes. Okay, load balancing, by default it is selected, and if you want to configure, you can see here Azure load balancer or application gateway. Okay, select them. If you want to configure, you can configure. Okay, click on next. That is management. If you want to enable system asset manager identity, you have to select the checkbox. Login with Microsoft Enter ID, you have to select this one. Auto shutdown, if you want to configure, you can select this one. Okay, then enable backup, if you want to, you can select here. I don't want. Guest OS updates, see, we have these options. Oh, we have only one, that is image default. Okay, then click on next, that is monitoring. You want to configure alerts, you have to click the checkbox. Then you have to fill all these details. I don't want. Then diagnostics, see, enable OS guest diagnostics, you have to select this one. Okay, I don't want. Then click on next, that is advanced. Then if you want to install extensions, select an extension to install. VM applications, custom data and user data. Okay, if you want to configure any one of them, you can configure. Okay, I don't want to provide any custom data or user data. Okay, then remaining options I am going to keep as it is. Then click on next, that is tags. I don't want to provide any tags. Then click on create and review and create. See, validations passed, and see here, this is the cost for the vCPUs and memory. This is per hour. Okay, review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, also see here, these are the features that we have selected, and this is the estimated monthly cost. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on create. See, deployment is in progress. See, it has created these resources. Now it is creating the virtual machine. See, your deployment is complete. Now click on go to resource or go to virtual machines again. See, here we have the virtual machine. Okay, then click on it, hide this for you. See here in essentials, this is the resource group name, this is status, it is running, region or location, subscription name. See, it is RHEL 10, Linux RHEL 10. Okay, this is the size, 1 CPU on 3.5 gigabytes memory. This is the public IP, virtual network name, DNS name, it is not configured, and this is the virtual machine creation date. And see here virtual machine details, private IP, public IP, and other information like size, disks. Okay, now on the top, see here we have the connect, restart, stop, delete. If you are not using anymore, delete it. If you want to stop temporarily, you have to click on stop. Okay, now click on this connect, then connect. Or see here we have the bash option. Okay, now this is the username or admin username. Okay, we can connect by using native SSH or Azure CLI, or by using putty. I am going to connect from the putty. So open putty, then copy this public IP address, click on this copy button, go to here, paste it, and port number 22, that is SSH port. Then if you want to save this, then give the name and click on save. Okay, I don't want. Then click on open, click on accept. We have to give username or login name. Let me change font. Then go to appearance. I am going to increase the font size, bold, 12. Click on OK. Username is AG-admin RHEL. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this admin account. If you forgot, just click on these more options. Then click on reset password or keys. Okay. Provide the password of this username. Hit enter. See, you have successfully connected. Now see here, we have to register. See, register this with your Red Hat Insights. Even if you try to update the packages, sudo dnf update ampersand sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. See, subscription. See, this is not registered with entitled server. Okay, you can search. Okay, type and hit enter. So we have to register. So first go to RHEL site and register for free, and you have to run the command subscription manager. Okay, see, it is done. Control A. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, I have connected to RHEL 10 Kafla Nation. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up Azure virtual machine for Red Hat 10. Okay, for more Azure or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.